So how do you keep something this beautiful looking like this for many, many years? You have to make sure that you build them correctly. So today we're going to go over how to insulate the wheel wells. They're exposed in this trailer because we're hauling a Jeep. And there you can see what the wheel wells look like. You can also get to see a little closer inside. That's metal. There's the top of the wheel well. And what we're going to do today is we're going to show you a really quick and easy way to make sure that those are fully insulated so you don't have any sweating inside of your beautiful cargo conversion from Hensley Homes.
Hi folks, thought I'd do a quick video before I get too wild and going here, and I'll do a time lapse of me actually doing it. So what you see here is we're getting ready to insulate the fender wells. Like we told you, if you do not insulate this metal that's exposed to the cold, it will sweat inside your trailer. So get down here where you can kind of see. So this underneath area of the trailer in here, we will insulate with the Schluter high density foam. And the reason I'm using that is because it already has a waterproof membrane that is manufactured right onto it. So the water and everything underneath, it's got to protect it so it's not just styrofoam that's going to get broken up by rocks and beat up and end up falling out. So it's a high quality material, and we're going to be using what's called Kerdi-Fix to put it on with. That is the stuff that sticks everything. So I'll do a time-lapse video of me getting this done. I already did my measurements, got all my pieces cut, so we'll get this all done on this side and show you how that works, and no more sweat.
And away he goes, getting everything ready. You can see him using his favorite thing, which is Kerdi-Fix. He loves how that adhesive works on all kinds of surfaces. You can also see that he put in his first piece and it went on the top. You can see him adding the Kerdi-Fix as well, so he can put in his first piece on the side. And he ran out, had to go get some more. And some more. Gotta have his Kerdi-Fix. But you can see him putting that on the metal in there. And then he will take his foam board and he puts it on there. Makes it nice and neat, well covered. You want to make sure that metal is all covered. Nobody wants sweating inside of trailers. That is not something that you want to deal with long term, and we want these trailers to last a long time. And of course, he would never leave it orange, because you could see that. So he painted it all black as well. Then he's putting the tires back in, doing his thing. Mr. Picky. That side's good to go. And we head to the opposite side. Again, puts his Kerdi-Fix in the top. Starts with his top piece. You can see that. Then he comes back in and he does the back wall of it. Again, you can see him sealing everything really, really well with the Kerdi-Fix. We don't want any breaks so that there's any metal exposed. And he comes back and paints it. And he puts his tires back on. Same process. Of course, Patches has to help him as well. And there you have it. All of the wheel wells are now insulated, so there will be no sweating inside. Because remember, those fender wells are exposed on the inside, so you have to cover them with something, otherwise they will sweat when the temperature outside drops, or inside, either or. And since we have such a great mini split in this unit, that's something we definitely had to work out and account for. And here you go, that beautiful finished product. Sleek, functional, something that has been crafted that will last for many, many years. All of the special touches have been added to this trailer. It's fully insulated. It's an 8.5 by 24, and yes, remember, it hauls a Jeep. So if you are lucky enough to see this beautiful thing going down the road, remember, it came from Hensley Homes. And if you are excited and want to have something built just for you to haul your special toy in, please give us a call. We are ready to build another one of these masterpieces for you and make sure that it does exactly what you need it to, hauls exactly what you want it for, and it functions for years and years. So give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, and make sure that you follow us on all of our social medias as we prepare to make another one of these. And we're going to do some new things on the next one, so stay tuned.